Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to change your indicator bulb. Now actually it's probably one of the easiest videos I've ever made on here. But first of all, how to diagnose which one is gone. So we'll just indicate left and right even. See, it's nice and slow. Really quick. So what you're going to do, pressure hazards. And then you'll go around the car and find out which indicator bulb is gone. In this case, it's the front left. For this particular car, the Qashqai, you're going to need these bulbs here, and they're from Halfords. However, if you go in there and just ask them, you're given your registration, you should be able to get it fine. So we're going to pop the bonnet. It's quite cleverly, the manufacturer's actually thought about the consumer on this one. It's just this nice easy cap to get to there. So if you look here, you can see the other bulbs. And then the indicator one's there. All you can do is twist it out. It should just come out. Now, as you can see, these bulbs are like the chrome ones, which, yeah, in my opinion, are actually slightly better. However, to make it even on both sides, I will change both of them. So yeah, so all it is to get it out is to push down and twist it slightly. It just comes out. When you replace them with the new ones, I know it's not a hot headlight bulb where you need to prevent touching the top. However, I think it's just good practice just to prevent touching the top of the bulb when we're installing these. Once the bulb's in place, you just basically push this back in, and then you'll feel a bit of resistance, then just turn left, and it's all good to go. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more videos of all cars, and yeah, we'll see if it's working.